All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, Yoruba Nation no going back, and exactly what it is. Well, my people, we have been saying Yoruba Nation no going back, no going back, no going back, no going back. But this time around, I saw something that made me to respect these Yoruba Nation agitators. Like, oh my goodness, these people actually are on point. This set of people, these young men you are looking like this set of people, they actually know what they are into. Like, seriously, this set of boys confronted soldiers in their checkpoint. As you can see, they confronted soldiers at their checkpoint, and then they made us understand their reasons why they had to visit the soldier checkpoint around that area. And the area is called Oja. Yes, that's the area. Well, my brother, what actually happened? It was gathered that earlier, before that time, the Yoruba agitators were on their way. Some of the agitators were on their way with the Yoruba Nation sticker. And before you knew it, soldiers, this set of soldiers who actually begged later, you won't believe it, they actually begged these people. This set of soldiers collected their, they seized their uniform, the Yoruba Nation uniform, and their stickers. That's serious. I heard this so many times. I thought it's like these guys are just blabbing. They are just blabbing. But this video I watched, my brother, actually made me to believe that these boys, these agitators, are not joking at all. Yeah, what are we talking about? The soldiers, as you can see them in this picture, they attacked some agitators though, and they seized their uniform and their stickers written boldly Yoruba Nation, simply because, according to what they told them, they said the reason why they seized those uniforms, why they seized the uniforms of the Yoruba Nation and the sticker, was because there is nothing like Yoruba Nation. That the government does not recognize anything like Yoruba Nation. The government does not recognize anything like Biafra. Even Arewa, they do not recognize. The only thing they recognize, they know, is one Nigeria. So because of that, nobody should campaign or wear such uniform. They collected those uniforms and they took those uniforms to their maybe checkpoint or station, because this is their checkpoint. Yes, at the end of it all, my brother, my sister, these Yoruba Nation agitators gathered themselves together. When one of them reported, so the rest of them gathered themselves together. They were like, they had to face these people squarely. That what will warrant a Nigerian soldier to seize Yoruba Nation uniform? What guts do they have to have done that? Can any Yoruba Nation agitator seize soldiers' uniform? No. That they have to visit them at that checkpoint and then collect their uniform and give them their last warning. We thought it was all a joke. These are the boys, man. They were on live video. While I was watching it, I was scared myself. Like, God, what is going to happen to these boys? God, I protect them. But lo and behold, they got to the checkpoint. They went there on a bike, and with one car and all that. Just few of them. I'm not sure these boys are up to 10, but without weapon, nothing, they visited the checkpoint. And then, my brother, my sister, they ranted, Yoruba Nation no going back. They were screaming at the top of their voices, Yoruba Nation no going back. The next thing, these soldiers started coming out one after the other, and these boys, in fact, they are not boys, they are men. These Yoruba agitators, look at this guy, man. They were facing the soldiers. Yes, they were facing them. You can see the soldier apologizing later. So they were like, why would you people seize our uniform? Why in the first place will you seize our stickers? In fact, why will you seize our uniform? Did the no Nigeria, the country, una country, shey na una country buy us this uniform? Hey, my brother, my sister. The next thing we saw was one of the soldiers was trying to like attack them, and then one of the agitators were like, "If them born you well, eh, just make I hear the sound of that gun, say make I just hear sound of that thing, make I just hear that sound, then you go understand something now." My brother, my sister, no be small thing o. That's why this agitation and the agitators, my brother, my sister, God is with them. No, 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 no. God is with these people, and God is actually with the movement, because the kind of guts these people actually had to to have gone to the checkpoint, and at the end of it all, the soldiers had to apologize to them. Like, my brother, soldiers started apologizing. We are so sorry. You can see raising his hands, that we thought they had to they changed the narrative now. That we didn't know it was a Yoruba Nation sticker. No, we didn't know. We thought it was some other sticker, of which this set of people had earlier said that they have been given order from above that there's nothing like Yoruba Nation, there's nothing like Biafra, there's nothing like Arewa. So they don't want to see any sticker or uniform. Later, they now changed their voices, that no, 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 we didn't know that it was Yoruba Nation sticker. My brother, my sister, no be small something, of which these men, the Yoruba Nation agitators, earlier had told them that, well, if you are talking about the fact that they don't you don't know anything about Yoruba Nation, you don't know anything about Biafra, you don't know anything about the Arewa. Say that one, fine. You can talk about Arewa, you can talk against Arewa and your Biafra nation. But as far as Yoruba nation is concerned, no go there, because Yoruba nation is a nation on its own. That we, the Yoruba nation agitators, we don't know anything about Biafra, we don't know anything about Arewa. Now, our Yoruba nation, we know. So as we dey go there, we go show them pepper. We go let them know, say, we na in those days na go fit dey ride us. Gone are the days. We thought it was all a joke, but at the end of it all, what happened? They had to apologize to the Yoruba Nation agitators. Well, my brother, my sister, this is another strong one. This is to tell you that the movement, the Yoruba Nation agitation movement, there is no going back. Oh, if these men are saying no going back, just no henceforth believe them. They are even at that checkpoint. They were screaming it. Yoruba nation no going back. Yoruba nation no going back. They were screaming at that checkpoint. Oh my God, oh my God. In fact, God will continue to protect these ones. No, 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 no. God will continue to protect the agitators. These people are actually fighting for a good right. No, it's something that everybody already knows. We can't continue to be enslaved. We can't continue to keep suffering, kidnapping us on a daily basis, raping the women, raping the young girls. Now most of the ladies are turned to prostitution. How long are we going to continue like this? And a stop had to be put to this. Enough of everything. Enough is enough, and exactly what it is. Well, this is no longer a joke. Yoruba Nation, no going back, and exactly what the people are still talking about. All right, my people, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks, and God bless.